Chilli Nutrela, we need the following ingredients: capsicum, garlic, onion, spring onion, white oil, refined flour, sugar, salt, dark soy sauce, tomato sauce, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, corn flour, Schezwan sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, chili vinegar. These are all the ingredients which we require to make Chilli Nutrela, and this is the soybean packet which I am using. First we need to boil the Nutrela in a pot, and in this water I have given half teaspoon of salt already. So you can see the Nutrela is boiled. Now I am going to add corn flour and Maida in it, 2 tablespoons each. Next I am going to add ginger garlic paste around half tablespoon and Schezwan chili sauce 1 tablespoon. So now I am going to mix it well. Taken half cup of white oil in a karai, and I'm going to fry the Nutrela pieces in it. Lightly we have to fry till golden brown. Now we will take out the Nutrela pieces, and in the same oil I'm going to fry garlic cloves and onion. Now I'm going to add the capsicum in it, and next I will add the cornstarch water to make the gravy. I have taken 1 cup of water and added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in it to make the gravy thick and tasty. Now in the karai I am going to add 1 cup of water and all the sauces: dark soy sauce, tomato sauce, Schezwan sauce and green chili sauce. Along with it, I am going to add some salt and sugar as well. Once the gravy is ready, I am going to put all the Nutrela nuggets in it, which I have already fried, and mix it well with the gravy. In the end, I am going to add some spring onion to it. And our gravy is ready. So friends, enjoy this recipe with your friends and family. Try this with fried rice or noodles. I'm sure you all are going to love this recipe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.